Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can submit sitemap in Google Search Console. So I'm going to use the blogger. You can use WordPress as well. So I'm going to open my blog. Then you need to click on settings. Here you need to scroll down. Here you can see crawlers and indexing. Here you can see custom robots.txt. Click here. And here you can see sitemap address. You simply need to copy that from here. Then you need to open Google Search Console. Click on the first website. Click on Start Now. So once you are here, you simply need to click on Sitemaps. Here you need to add your address and then you need to click on Submit. And here you can see that it is now successful and discover pages 3. So this is the process by which you can submit sitemap in Google Search Console. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.